Welcome to Pakistan, a land of hidden beauty, waiting to be discovered. In just 60 seconds, we'll take you on a whirlwind tour of this incredible country. From the majestic Himalayas to the Arabian Sea, Pakistan's landscapes and culture will leave you in awe. You can explore the world's highest peaks, indulge in delicious cuisine, and immerse yourself in rich traditions. But it's not just about what you see, it's about the people you meet. Pakistanis are known for their warmth and friendliness, making you feel right at home. So, why wait? Pack your bags and come experience the hidden beauty of Pakistan for yourself. It's a journey you'll never forget. In just 60 seconds, we've only scratched the surface. Pakistan's hidden beauty is waiting to be explored. Share this video and inspire others to embark on their own adventure.